Ettinger. I'm the theater teacher. This is my second year teaching. I'm really excited about teaching theater. I taught at the Rose Theater for several years, and I got my degree in educational theater. Before this, I was teaching English, and it was not as much fun. I was not as into it. So I was really excited to get back. Well, Miss Luca was here for 16 years before I was here, as you know. So there's certainly a lot of comparison between her teaching style and my teaching style, and I've been trying my best to try and balance tradition and traditions that she set forth with my own new ideas. It was incredibly stressful. Miss Luca had a lot of time to dedicate to being here, actually in the building and present, and as a new mom, I couldn't dedicate that much time, so it was definitely very stressful. I really love the people here. I love working with the kids in the theater department. I think they're so open about who they are and about trying new things and taking risks, and I really like the comm arts department.